Good morning, good afternoon, and thank you for attending today's webinar, A Farmer Perspective on the Use of Natural Language Processing, Text Mining, to Find Hidden Knowledge in Unstructured Text. First, a brief introduction to Linguamatics. Linguamatics is a successful and growing company based in the UK and the US. Our growth is based on the success of our platform, I2E, which provides a solution for interactive information extraction. I2E enables agile, scalable, real-time natural language processing-based text mining. The key difference between text mining and the more traditional search engine approach is that rather than retrieving documents based on keywords that you then need to read yourself, I2E reads the documents for you and identifies relevant facts and relationships and extracts them in a structured form for a review and faster analysis, and connects these facts together in new ways to synthesize knowledge and create actionable insights. We provide software, consulting, and a cloud solution with some of the key data sources for life sciences, such as Medline, FDA drug labels, clinicaltrials.gov, and OMIM. Our platform is generic, but we're used a lot in pharma and biotech, including 17 of the top 20 global pharmaceutical companies, and by an increasing range of healthcare providers, including Kaiser Permanente in the US, and also by government or regulatory bodies, such as the FDA. Customers are using our software in many different ways across the drug discovery and development pipeline to answer high-value problems from target discovery, prioritization, biomarker discovery, extracting safety and toxicity knowledge, clinical trials informatics, health economics and outcomes research, but also more general topics such as patent analysis, competitive intelligence, sentiment analysis in social media, and key opinion leader identification. In healthcare, many of the activities where our text mining solution is used centered on patient records or electronic health records, and connecting key facts from these to data in other sources such as pathology reports, scientific literature, clinical trial reports, drug labels for adverse events, and so on. Now you have an understanding of who we are, let's move on to understanding the concept and the value of text mining. Let's start with something that most of us use every day, keyword search. Typically, for a search engine, you type in one or more words, in this case, breast cancer, and the search engine will find all the documents that have these kind of keywords in them. The important thing to understand is that the search engine brings back documents with the keywords, and it tells you that this list of documents contain all the words breast and cancer. But then it's up to you to read through the document and decide, is it the relevance or not? Keyword search is useful, and most people use it every day, and it's certainly good enough for when you're browsing around, for example, where to go on holiday. It's also good for finding out general, non-specific information about a subject. For example, what general information is out there on breast cancer? But it does have limitations when the set of results from your search are very large. Most people will only go and click through the first few results. No one has time to go through hundreds or thousands of pages of results. Especially each result corresponds to a document or web page, and it becomes impractical to go through every single search result. So to reduce the result set, you may have to narrow the search to get rid of noisy or irrelevant hits. But then care has to be taken to avoid narrowing your search so much you miss a valuable result. And to make sure you get all the results you're interested in, you typically have to type in all the various ways the word may be expressed in text. For example, cancer may be found as carcinoma or tumor or neoplasm. And when something can be expressed in tens or hundreds or even thousands of different ways, it becomes unwieldy and impractical to type them all in. And finally, another limitation is when you want to ask open questions, such as, what are the side effects of drugs that treat liver disease?